Hello again. Just read an interesting article on USA Today. I'll attach the link. You're not going to have to look for it. Washington, nearly a full year after Justice Antonin Scalia's death left the Supreme Court shorthanded. President Trump is posed to nominate a replacement who's 3 decades younger, setting off a pitched battle over the direction of the nation's highest court. Trump's nominee is set to be unveiled from the Oval Office at 8 p.m. Tuesday. This is Tuesday, the 31st of January, 2017. With most attention focused on 2 federal appeals court judges from opposite sides of the country, Neil Gorsuch of Colorado and Thomas Hardiman of Pennsylvania. We'll see how this thing unfolds. The sad reality is that, as I've said in countless videos, the Supreme Court doesn't rule on rule of law. The Supreme Court, for the most part, rules on political ideology. According to what's written, Gorsuch, 49, is a Scalia acolyte who believes judges should interpret laws as they are written and enforce the Constitution as the nation's framers intended. He writes with a Scalia-like flair and has degrees from Columbia, Harvard, and Oxford. Hardiman, 51, is less widely known but has a Trump in his corner. The president's sister, Marianne Trump Berry, sits with him on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit. He has a strong conservative record on issues affecting criminal law and the Second Amendment. You want to read the rest of the article? The sad reality is it doesn't matter what Trump picks. The left, Chucky Schumer, and the whacked out Democrats are probably going to do anything and everything that they can to prevent, which I'm not going to be able to prevent, having Donald nominate a conservative judge to the Supreme Court. Once that happens, which I expect it will happen after a great deal of fireworks, the Democrats will have nothing. They don't have the Senate, except for a few rhinos like McCain, Lindsey Graham, Jeffrey the Flake Flake, Marco Rubio. You never know which way they're going to go. They don't have the House. They don't have the White House. And soon, well, with a 5 to 3.5 or 4 decision in the Supreme Court, where do you think that's going to go, huh? Bye-bye, Democrats. Bye-bye.